Hey guys, this is Avneet and you're watching Tech Milestone. Welcome to the Tech Update episode 12. In this episode, we're going to discuss about the PS5 launch, the Mi Notebook 14 and 14 Horizon Edition, the IdeaPad Gaming 3i and much more. So let's get started without further ado. First up, we have the Mi Notebook launch. The Mi Notebook has been highly requested by many people and it is launched finally in India after 2 years of various surveys and feedbacks. The Mi Notebook 14 and 14 Horizon Edition packs the 10th generation i5 and i7 U series CPUs. If we talk about the GPUs, the 14 has the integrated graphics and the 14 Horizon Edition has the MX350. Mi Notebook 14 is the first laptop to pack the MX350. So if we talk more about the Mi Notebooks, the notebooks do have a powerful processor, but the GPU is just 2 GB and the display is quite bright and well. As we started talking about the laptops, we not miss Lenovo, the number 2 in the market share for laptops in India. Lenovo has revealed the IdeaPad Gaming 3i and the Slim 3 series. Both are the highly powerful processors with the latest 10th generation Intel chipsets and models with AMD ones as well. If we talk about the GPU side, the Gaming 3i packs a GTX 1650 and 1660 and 1650 Ti. And talking about the Slim 3, it packs the integrated graphics only. So for its price. So when we come to gaming, we can't miss the biggest launch, the Sony PS5. The PlayStation 5 is officially available now and launched through an online event due to the current pandemic. So I hope you also love to play games on the latest new console, the PS5. The PS5 packs many AAA titles and is a powerful processor based on the AMD's Gen 2 architecture. So when we are talking about consoles, we can't miss the online segment, the online cloud gaming, the Google Stadia. Yes, the Google Stadia is now available to almost all the Android devices and you can just download the Stadia app from Google Play Store and access the Stadia experience by streaming games online on any Android device. Games like the Talking Tom, the previous games that we had around 2 to 3 years ago, are back now. The Talking Tom Friends. In this game, you have 5 friends and 5 Toms, the cats, which you can make them role play various parts. So when we come to the gaming segment, we can't miss Twitch, the biggest platform to stream games. Twitch is now taking down various streams, videos, clips by various even popular streamers just because now the DMCA Act has been implemented to the Twitch as well and all the copyrighted songs and videos are being removed gradually. When we talk about sitting home, we talk about productivity. So does Adobe. Adobe has launched the Photoshop camera which lets your smartphone take pictures which have the real filters that you can put up by using the Photoshop. The Photoshop camera is available for all the Android devices that are running on Android 9 or above. You also need to sign up to the Adobe Creative Cloud to access the same. Now you can take various filtered and very good pictures with your smartphone camera just straight away. When we talk about the Google Play Store, we come up to the Android segment. The Android 11 beta is available now. It is available to all the Google Pixel devices. The Pixel 2a is the lowest end segment device by Pixel that has been enrolled into the beta segment. More of the devices are being added by various OEM providers. If we take about the timeline, it would be available to other smartphones as a stable build somewhere around August or September or even by the end of Q3 of 2020. Android gave the beta version. So does Xiaomi. Xiaomi has started rolling out and asking for pilot testers for the MIUI 12. MIUI 12 packs a very useful features which you can use by just downloading and applying for being a pilot tester. Please note that the tester build would have bugs and it could land your smartphone into trouble. If your Xiaomi phone is not your daily driver, you can pop in if you have one of the devices for which they are looking for the testers. They are looking for the Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 8 Pro, Redmi Note 7s, 7 Pro, Redmi Note 7. Just head over to the Mi community website and apply there under the recruitment section. So does the blue team. The blue team, the Intel team, fighting against the AMD, has now lost one of the senior engineers. The Jim Kellery has left the organization after 2 years of working there. It is now a major shock for the Intel, the blue team. So guys, that was all for this week of the tech update. I hope you guys like this video. Comment below which news you find the most useful, and more features are being added to the various platforms and you are enjoying and staying safe at your home. So see you guys in the next one on the next Saturday. Till then, goodbye.